So now guys, after putting all the components together and restarting my desktop computer, I've realized that there is no overheating anymore like before, and also the fan doesn't overwork and I don't hear the sound anymore. And also my computer is more responsive and there is no performance issues like before. I hope this is the case for you too. If you still need help or assistance, just leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always join our channel family members or you can subscribe and like if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.
So one of the solutions to solve the problem of your desktop overheating, what you want to do, you want to use the Hoover and suck all the dust from the fans which are in your computer or in your desktop. This is step one. It's very easy. You can just open your desktop computer and use a Hoover, suck the dust, or use an old toothbrush and you can use it to scrub on those fans before sucking the dust. And the next step, you want to buy one of the thermal pastes which are available online. You can choose your favorite one, or if you don't know which one to choose, just check the best references and buy one, and we will apply it to the processor, because if your computer is kind of old, then that thermal paste doesn't work anymore after certain years, and you might want to renew it so that there is no overheating, and this sometimes even improves the performance of the computer. After removing the cooling device of your processor, as you can see, this little part helps into cooling the processor in my desktop. I have simply removed it. And now there is only the processor left there. So we are going to clean the previous paste, which was there, from the processor itself without removing the processor from the motherboard. Don't press too much, just gently clean the previous paste. We will do the same from the cooling system. So I will go ahead and remove the residual or the remaining of the previous cooling thermal paste. Now that I have cleaned the residual of the thermal paste, I'm going to apply another thermal paste before putting back. As you can see, I have put my thermal paste on the processor itself, not too much, to put it like in the previous stage, and I'm going to go ahead to close the cooling system. However, please make sure that you don't put too much of the thermal paste, and also make sure to buy a quality one. You can check online for thermal paste and you can check the references of each, and I believe that there are different degrees and each one of them has certain capabilities. So I'll invite you to Google it before using any thermal paste. Now the next step will be that I will put back my cooling system, and then I will remount my computer and start using it.